Hey guys, welcome back. Steven with North Trail RV, and today we're bringing you something a little bit different. So this is our first 2026 Allegro Bus 40 IP. We just got this a couple days ago, and there's a lot of new stuff on it, so I'm going to walk you around it. I'm going to point out some of the brand new stuff for 2026, and we're going to start outside, and then we're going to move inside. So they have kept the name Waterfall. This is in Waterfall graphics. They have changed the graphic scheme a little bit, but this is called Generation 15 paint, and Waterfall is the color combination name that they have given it. Probably you've noticed already right off the bat. So this is the new blackout package that they're offering. You can do this on any outside color. It looks really good with the blue and the black, so you get the blacked out American Racing wheels. This is on our new Power Glide XC chassis built by Freightliner. And it does have the new power drive system, which we'll talk about when we get inside a little bit. You can see we've ordered this. Standard on this one is Girard Novas. So this will come on, and then we've got the Girard electric window awnings off. So these are the new Girard window awnings. And these are the new style windows that look really good from the outside. And then inside, when we get in, I'll show you what it means to you when in your living space. It's not just the look from the outside. This is optional. We're ordering all of ours, most of ours with this. So you've got your slide out Truma fridge freezer here. We've done the stainless rocker panels on the bottom of the baggage doors as well. And one really cool thing is, even though that Freightliner is building these Power Glide XC chassis for them, they're basically built to Tiffin specs. So they have retained their extra storage height, where you'll see it still has the XSP badging back here on the back. They have retained their extra storage height of their baggage doors. So they have the tallest baggage doors and tallest compartment in the RV industry still. We ordered ours with the electric slide trays underneath, so you got two full length that'll go out either side. And this is something brand new. So this is called the Pet Perch. This is an option on an order form. And you've got a holder for your pet bowls, water, and food. And then when you're done, just take it off and store it away. You'll see up here above, this is your side camera. So this was ordered with 360 cameras, which is an option. And this is our refrigerator access panel right here that they've been doing for a few years, and just making it look like a part of the motorhome and painting the graphics to it. Just looks really good. And then outside, we still have an outside entertainment TV, and this does come out and swivel now. So the TV comes out and swivels, and your sound bar is mounted up above. This is one really nice feature on the 40 bus and the 40 Phaeton. So you've basically got like a 2/3 of the way passed through here. It's more than half, but it doesn't go all the way out the other side. But there's no slide tray in this one, so you get to use the full height of the storage bay, and gives you a lot of room. A lot of storage in that one. Back here, you've got some storage with some liner material sprayed in there. And then back here, this is our Power Glide service bay. So you've got a master battery disconnect. You have your engine diagnostic is ran over here in the same spot. And then your chassis batteries are mounted back here for easy access. They're still running your AC condensation off the roof and underneath. So you'll see it dripping down here. It's hot out here today. One really cool thing that they've always done, and I don't know if a lot of people know this or not, is run their exhaust, their tailpipe out the side. And a lot of people think it's for looks, and it is. It looks good. But the main purpose of this was to direct all your hot exhaust gases away from your tow vehicle, your trailer that you're towing. So a lot of the times the tailpipe will come right out the back, and your tow equipment back here in the front of your tow car is so hot, you have to wait for it to cool down to hook or unhook. And by doing this, it diverts all the heat away, and none of that heat's passing through back here to your hitch area. So Allegro Bus still has a standard in the 40s, a 450 horse, 9-liter Cummins. You can option in a 600 in the 45-foot model, not in the 40s. So in the 40-footer, the 450 is the only option, standard option. And then, like a lot of the Freightliner chassis that they're built in Gaffney, South Carolina, you have airline already run to the back. If you're towing a trailer with air brakes or a tow car that you're using an Air Force One braking system, it's already set up for that. If you're using that currently, you're set up. It's really just a hook up and go for you on your new coach. 40-foot bus has a 10,000-pound towing capacity, 10,000-pound hitch, 1,000-pound tongue weight. They are still mounting their power cord wheels up in the side out of the way, so it's not taking up any of your storage compartments. That's something they've been doing for probably a decade now. And the purpose of that was really to give you more outside storage. Allegro Bus still has a side-mounted radiator for cooling, and then you've got your DEF tank back here, driver's side rear. The way this floor plan is designed and having this big tall bedroom slide, your wet bay access door falls only barely underneath the edge of it, and it's still tall enough where you don't have to duck down to get in your wet bay. It's kind of out here in the open. You'll see I could walk in here and stand and get to anything with no slide covering it, which is a really good design. The wet bay hasn't changed a lot. You still have an outside shower. Your water pump's mounted out here. You have a power hose reel. Your macerator system's still mounted out here. You do have power knife valves now, which is really nice. So you don't have tank pulls anymore. You just have electronic switching. So push the buttons and your black and gray tank will open. You can empty your holding tanks. Back in this one's our Aqua Hot. So we're still using a 450D Aqua Hot system, the tried and true one that everybody loves. And then here we get back to our storage compartment. So these are the two slide trays, but because the belt line of this motorhome is built so tall in this XSP chassis, you can see I'm 6 foot tall and I really don't have to duck that much to reach under these. So it's still easy to get underneath these slides and access your storage down below. We're still using the big bus style mirrors. And then you've got your electronics and fuse compartment still up here in the front. This is the other side for your tank fill. And then this is our sensor for our Freightliner road watch. So this does have adaptive cruise collision mitigation on it. We'll talk a little bit about that when we get inside. And then mobile eye camera mounted up here in the windshield, which is an audible collision avoidance system. And then this is the front camera for your 360 camera system that we've ordered on it. And now we'll head in, we'll check out the inside. Welcome inside. So we'll start up here in the cockpit. There's a lot of changes up here this year. So Tiffin has redesigned the entire cockpit here. You still have your dual monitors. You still have your Freightliner digital display. But they've contoured it and angled it a lot more so it's driver focused. Another thing you'll probably notice up here right off the bat is they're using these marine style Bocatech style switches now that are backlit. So these serve in all your basic function as the old rocker switches. They just look a lot better. They're supposed to be more reliable as well. A big thing in the driving portion of this is they are now using a ZF steering assist. So Tiffin is calling it Power Drive, and that's going to come standard on Allegro Bus on their Powerglide XC chassis. And essentially what it is it's an electronic steering assist. So there's an electric motor down here mounted to the steering column, and it helps work the hydraulics. So it's a lot like the Comfort Drive in Newmar. it is designed to decrease driver fatigue over time. So it is adjustable on the fly in your main menu here. So you see we've come to steering effort, and there's neutral in the middle, and then more or less depending on what you like. The system was kind of designed to be dialed up and have more on the highway and less when you're on back roads and parking lots and rest areas and that type of thing. It kind of frees up the wheel. And in the ZF one, so this will activate only when you are in gear. So, and if we go into drive and release the parking brake, you'll see the wheel kind of freeze up here. And a really nice feature about it is if you're backing into anywhere, the wheel will always center itself. So if you're backing in somewhere at night, the wheel will kind of always come back to center, and you'll know where you can start square again. And then if we apply the brake and go back in neutral, you'll see it loses its electronic assist here. But ultimately, it was designed for driver comfort and long distance driving, and to keep you comfortable, less fatiguing in your arms and your shoulders. I'll point this out since it's right up here in the way. So this is actually a Waggle pet cam. It will feed off of the Starlink or your Wi-Fi signal. So for all of you that have pets, you can monitor your pets now while you are away. It's a pretty cool feature. We did order this one with Starlink Pro, and you'll see it up here. So this is equipped with Starlink. And new for 26, they have also embroidered bus on the front of the driver and co-pilot chair now. These are also heated and cooled seats now. And this leather for 26, there's a lot of changes internally here. So this is called rice wine. This is a new leather. You still have your power theater seats with adjustable backs and seats. And then you have some storage in the console here as well. This one was ordered with a new window package. So you have full visibility out the windows, and it deletes your overhead cabinets. So you'll see passenger side and driver side, we have no overhead cabinets. And when these blinds go up, it gives you a lot of daylight and a lot of visibility. These are new floor tiles for 2026 as well. And one big thing now is the carpet is gone, as you can see. And we've got a woven vinyl material down here, a lot more durable, a lot more stain resistant than carpet was. It looks a lot more elegant than carpet. So this was a really big upgrade for Allegro Bus this year. And I'll move over to the galley here. Some changes in the galley. These are platinum cabinets, and this is all new hardware throughout. So as we move back through, you'll see new hardware on the cabinets. You've got an LG convection up here now, thin Q that you can bake in. We have ordered this one with a dishwasher. And an option on Allegro Bus that's been around for a few years, and this one we ordered it with, is a Wolf induction cooktop. So this is an induction cooktop upgrade over the true induction. And then down here, this is a new option for 26 as well. To match the outside, you have a place for your pet bowls, water, and food. And if you want to take these out and use them, they have rubberized bottoms on them. So if you don't want your dog eating right here in the kitchen, you can still move these around. They have rubberized bottoms. They won't slide on the floor. And then you can wash them out, clean them out, put them back away, and store them out of the way. Under the sink here, we've got a really nice pull-out. Hold your trash can. And then we've also got a slider with some extra storage on the bottom down here. And then this locks back on its own. And then for 26, we have a 3-piece sink cover and a 2-piece sink. And then this is new matching hardware here as well. And then up top, we have a slider on either side. So you can't have both of these open one at a time, but you have a sliding compartment here and then one here as well. The 40 IP has been around for a few years. There's just been some slight tweaks to it. Essentially, this is kind of a condensed down 45 OPP bus, and everything's kind of in the same spot. You still have your pantry here forward. You have some really nice sliders. There are 6 of these in total, floor to ceiling. So this is a lot of storage right here. You've got an LG fridge with a bottom drawer freezer. So on this side over here, you will have your half bath. And then in the hallway here, we kind of transition into the bedroom. So this is technically a 4-slide motorhome, but the reason this feels so big inside, this portion of wall right here is the only thing in a 40 IP that doesn't slide on the passenger side. So your front slide stops right here. You have this small piece of wallboard, and then your rear slide stops right here. Essentially, it's almost like having a full wall slide on the passenger side, which is what gives this so much room. You do have a new Spider control panel here. It's very informative. So like I said, this one comes with, we had lithium batteries, the Battleborn's option in this one, and this will show you your battery voltage, generator, what you're inverting. It will run everything. Runs all your lighting, front master, rear master, exterior lights. And your power station here is where it gets really informative. So it even shows your solar charging displays in here as well. And there's a lot of visuals. Your thermostats and heated floors are displayed through here still, but now with visuals. Your awnings and slides you can control through here, and all your power shades you can control through here as well. So it's very intuitive and very informative. This is the nicest version of this display and control panel that they've had so far. Going through, you do have a full-length floor to ceiling door here to separate the living area from the bedroom area. And then as you come back through here, you'll see this one does have a power bed. Large bedroom television. And then we option this one with the electric fireplace down here. And Tiffin's still doing the ceiling fan that everybody loves. They're still doing it. So that has not gone away. As we move back into the bathroom here, not a lot of changes other than colors in the bathroom and the IP. So you'll see all the matching hardware here now. Platinum cabinets continue on. Same trim continues on. You still have a really nice shower for a 40-foot motorhome with a nice teak flip down seat there. We have our stack washer dryer on this side with the sliding door. So it gives you full access to it. And then back here, we still have our full-size, full-length wardrobe. Safe is mounted in the rear wall. You have a really nice shelf up top. We do have AC ducts in the closet now, which is really nice. Helps keep this area cool. It's right back here over the engine, so this area tends to get hotter faster than the rest of the motorhome. So they've now run some AC ducts into the closet, which is a great idea. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. This has been a 2026 40 IP Allegro bus. If you guys have any questions about it, don't hesitate to call me. My number's down below. And let us know in the comments what you want to see. We're going to keep shooting these videos and moving through a lot of our inventory here. So if you guys want to see something specific, please let us know. Thank you again, and don't forget to like and subscribe.